When people think about construction, they often picture cranes and hard hats. But this industry is built by people in every role, from the field to the office. That's why internships are so important.
Our internship program gives students real experience. They work alongside superintendents, project managers, cost control specialists, accounting teams, marketing professionals, and engineers. They're not just observing, they're contributing.
We are the
future.
We're the future
of construction.
Of construction.
We are the future.
We are the future of construction.
I'm studying civil engineering and sustainable engineering at Villanova University, and what drew me to this field was my love for math. I've always really enjoyed problem solving and working with numbers, and both my dad and my brother went into an engineering field in college, and I knew that it was the path for me.
All the things that go into construction that you don't see. Behind the scenes, I never thought that there'd be so much, talking, meetings, and discussions that go into the final product that I end up seeing. And yeah, it was very insightful to see all the things from BIM coordinations to shop drawings to the general contract drawings and how those all created a step-by-step formulaic approach into, eventually creating the tangible building that we see.
I'm going into my junior year of college at Manhattan University, and I'm studying construction management. It was my father. He's always been in construction his whole life. He's a project manager, so I've always been around it and I've really enjoyed it. I like being able to see the projects from the management side and seeing them finish. Definitely very hectic. It's a lot of fun being able to bounce from different jobs back and forth.
So there was about 2 weeks this summer where I was working nights at the airport as an assistant superintendent, and it was really cool to see being on site, what's going on, how everything's done, and just meeting a whole bunch of new people, hearing all the stories, seeing people's backgrounds.
Building connected, that's where I spend most of my time, talking to subs, and it's just very easy and convenient because you could email people, their contacts pop right up, and you just invite all the subs that we've previously invited to other projects, and it's very simple and easy to use.
When you invest in young professionals, you're investing in the future of your company and the future of the construction industry.